Best instant cameras for every occasion. Instant cameras have made a comeback in recent years, offering a unique way to capture and share memories. With many options available, it can be hard to choose. But don't worry, we can help. If you're looking for an affordable instant camera that takes great pictures, check out our top picks. Fujifilm Instax Mini 12. The Fujifilm Instax Mini 12 is a great starting point for those new to instant photography. The basic camera is easy to use, produces good quality shots, and is available in a variety of fun colors. Perfect for kids and tweens. Its built-in selfie mode also makes it easier to capture memories with friends and family and costs around $79. Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. The Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo is a step up from the Mini 12, offering more creative control and the ability to print smartphone photos. This hybrid camera is packed with many advanced features, including a full-color LCD screen, allowing you to preview and select images to print. It also comes with a range of lens options and filters. The Instax Mini Evo costs around $199. Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro. The Kodak Mini Shot 3 Retro is a fun instant camera perfect for social occasions. Its companion app lets you add frames, stickers, and filters to photos, making it perfect for scrapbooking. The Mini Shot 3 Retro Kodak Instant Print uses 3x3-inch cartridges and costs about $111. Polaroid Now Plus second generation. Polaroid Now Plus is a great option for those who want a more retro instant camera experience. It produces vintage-style photos and comes with a range of creative modes, including a remote shutter and self-timer. However, it is larger and heavier than other instant cameras, making it less portable. The Now Plus uses Polaroid I-type color film and costs around $144. Polaroid Go second generation. The Polaroid Go is the smallest and most affordable instant camera in Polaroid's lineup. It's perfect for traveling and produces charming retro-style photos. However, it lacks creative modes and has a small print size compared to other instant cameras. Go uses Polaroid I-type color film and costs about $80. Some more instant cameras. Leica SO4 II. The Leica SO4 II is a high-end instant camera similar to the Fujifilm Instax Mini Evo. It produces high-quality images and comes with a range of lens options and filters. However, it is twice the price of the Mini Evo, making it less accessible to some consumers. Instax Square SQ1. The Instax Square SQ1 produces high-quality square prints and is easy to use. However, it's more expensive than other instant cameras, making it less appealing to those on a budget. Kodak Printomatic. The Kodak Printomatic is a budget-friendly instant camera that's often sold. However, its image quality is poor and it's slow to print. However, if you're looking for a budget-friendly instant camera, it's not worth purchasing over Fujifilm's Instax Mini 12.